To understand what makes laser light so special, it makes sense to look at an ordinary light bulb, the old-fashioned kind, with a tungsten filament. It produces light through thermal radiation. An electric current passing through the filament heats it up. Its tungsten atoms become excited and vibrate at different speeds, which causes them to emit photons in all directions across a variety of wavelengths. Compared to a laser, this is chaos. The way you should think about a light bulb is something like they're just a mob of people all singing a different pitch. So it's like a rock concert audience. A laser is more like if you go to Juilliard or Berklee School of Music and you go to a concert. It's like a choir of people who have got perfect pitch, but it's a choir of something like a trillion people singing at the same time, the same tone. That's because laser light is generated entirely from light. In fact, puts in its name, stimulated emission. Let's say we have inside an atom an electron that's at some excited state, some higher energy. Now a photon just the right frequency passes by the atom. It triggers the atom to do something interesting. The electron loses energy and goes to a lower energy and emits a photon of precisely the same frequency. It's going in the same direction, and it has the same phase. So what we have there is a quantum mechanical amplification process. If you place a group of those same excited atoms inside a chamber with mirrors at both ends, the emitted photons will bounce back and forth, continuing to stimulate the emission of more photons, which in turn stimulate even more photons. One of the mirrors is only partially reflective. It allows some of the light to escape. Now that light's very special. It's composed of photons that are all the same frequency, so the same color, and they're all the same phase and all going in the same direction. So you have this intense, pure beam of light, and that's the laser. Lasers have proven to be an extremely versatile tool, including for measuring distance. Rana's work with stable, high-frequency lasers takes that to an extreme. When you use them, you're in a whole different realm of measurement than anything else that has to do with rulers and any of that other stuff. Anybody who's like a real pro knows that the only thing that you ever measure is frequency. If you measure anything else, you're kind of an amateur.